Tired of manually emailing every single Facebook lead and feeling like you're losing valuable opportunities? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zapier to automatically email your Facebook leads, freeing up your time and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. First, log into your Zapier account and click on Create Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for and select Facebook lead ads as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to watch for new leads coming in through your Facebook forms. You'll then need to connect your Facebook account to Zapier. Choose the specific Facebook page and lead form you want to monitor for new submissions. Now, select your action app. In this case, we'll choose Gmail to send the automated email, but you can connect to other email service provider such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or Sendinblue. Connect your Gmail account, then customize the email you want to send to your new leads. You can pull information directly from the Facebook lead at form fields, like their name, email, and phone number, and insert it into the email body. Before you activate your Zap, test it to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will use sample data from your Facebook lead form to send a test email to yourself. Finally, once you're satisfied with the test email, click the Turn Zap On button, and you're done. Now, every new Facebook lead will automatically receive your personalized email, helping you nurture those relationships and convert them into paying customers.